Hi there! Welcome to another episode of Tea Talk. Today on our show we have Dr. Kathleen Dang, our naturopathic physician and registered acupuncturist here at Retri Wellness. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
So I hear today you're going to talk about red dates and must-try digestive tonic shot.
Yes.
So what are the red dates?
So red dates are here. They are a dried red fruit from China. It's been cultivated for thousands of years as a food and medicine. And if you see them, they're quite wrinkly and they have like a marshmallow texture and they have like a brown sugar sweet flavor. And it's been used in foods, snacks, soups, and cooked dishes.
Okay, and what are they good for?
Oh, so many great things. So the first thing I think of when I think of a red date is it calms the stomach. So I think of red dates when, like, after something big, like something stressful, like a big meeting, a big project, a final exam, maybe a doctor's appointment that was stressful, and you've got like a queasy stomach and you have a loss of appetite. I think of a red date as taking like maybe a handful of them, and it just calms the stomach down.
Okay, and is there anything else what they are good for?
Yeah, they're, another thing I think about is it also calms the mind. So it's great for, again, those stressful events, and it works by a flavonoid that upregulates GABA receptors. So GABA is a hormone, it's a stress hormone that will actually relax the body, anxiety and fears, and it actually helps induce a good quality sleep. So think of the red date as not just like a food, but also as a medicine, and think of the stomach and calming the mind. And then there's one more good thing about the red date is its iron and vitamin C content, especially when you compare it to the medjool date, which is quite sweeter. There's more amino acids in this date and more iron. So.
Okay, and I see you brought lots of stuff here.
Yes.
What is this?
Oh, right. So today I'm going to show you how to make a date paste. And from the date paste, I'm going to show you how to make a tonic with it. So pretty much this is the lovely paste that you can make from the dates, super easy. You just boil water for about 15 minutes with the dates until they kind of puff up. And then you want to just mash it through a sieve, and then it will just create this lovely paste that we're going to use in a recipe. And it's quite sweet, it tastes like applesauce.
Okay, so can you show us the recipe?
Yes, I'm happy to. So this is the finished product, this is what it'll look like. So pretty much, very simple ingredients. You just need 6 things. So I'm going to start with that decoction, which is the liquid that was used to boil the dates. Do not throw that away. Actually, that's gold. And this is what it is. It's about 1 cup of water with about a ½ cup of dates. And this is what it turns into, this nice kind of golden color. So it's pretty much like a tea. And then I'm going to add a juice of a whole lemon. And I have a ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So it's going to be quite flavorful, a little spicy. And the star, I think, of this tonic is ginger. This is about 1 teaspoon. It's quite spicy. It's minced. It should be fresh. Do not use ground. I would say if you don't like the taste of ginger, you don't have to put that much. But I find that it's quite lovely. And because there's quite a bit of sour from the lemon, I do balance it off with a little bit of maple syrup. We are Canadian, so you can also use honey, but I find that because I have kids, I have maple syrup already in the fridge. It's a tablespoon actually, the kids actually quite like that. And then the beautiful red date paste that we made. You can use, you can be generous with it. This is probably about a half a tablespoon, but you can use up to a tablespoon. It'd be quite fine. So I'm just going to put it in this jar and seal it up and shake it up. And this will be good for probably about 4 to 6 shots, depending on how much you like to drink. And it could be stored in the fridge for at least a week, but you'll like it so much you'll probably be able to get through it in maybe a couple of days. So you just shake it up. Now, if you are a crunchy peanut butter person or a smooth peanut butter person, you might want to strain this one more time if you don't like the little bit of chunks. I find that it's quite medicinal, but your preference. This version is a strain version, and I do say every time you do go to it, shake it up because there is a little bit of sediment that falls to the bottom. So, are you ready to do this?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna prepare. Do you want the chunky or do you want the smooth?
Yeah, I'll try this one.
You'll try the chunky?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright,
Looks
so
delicious.
pour a little bit. You might want to shake it up a little bit more than I did because I can already see that there are some cinnamon chunks, but that's okay. You ready?
And before I drink it,
Yes.
can you tell me please again what it is good for?
Yes. So it's a digestive tonic.
Okay.
So I would say take this maybe after a meal. It will cut the sugar craving if you want dessert, and it's a really nice digestive. Also, it's a little bit of immune tonic. It's got that vitamin C from the lemon juice, so think of a 2-for-1, digestive and immune.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, let's try it.
Cheers.
Wonderful.
It's good, right?
Yeah, okay. Oh my god, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
It was really delicious. So, let us know what you'd like to talk about for our next videos. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you for having me. Enjoy, everyone.
Bye.